Hello, I'm Susanna, and this is a short version of the second lesson by voice. Today's lesson is about balance in nature. Nature is a part of man's life, and man is part of nature. Between nature and humanity, there has always been a conflicting relationship. In fact, man always tried to dominate nature. But the ancestral union between mankind and nature cannot disappear with the advent of progress and industrialization. Mankind needs nature to find its balance. Our habitat is not being locked in a room and subjected to traffic noise. When we are outdoors looking for a blue sky and breathing country scents, we feel really good. But today our life is so hectic that we don't appreciate the little things of nature. Let's take time today. Let's take time today. This lesson will help us to reconnect with nature and its four elements: water, air, earth, and fire. Let's start the exercise. Breathe slowly and deeply. Inhale with the nose and exhale through your mouth. Let the abdomen expand. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. And now the first element is water. Let us be lulled by the sound of water. Use your voice freely, following your natural instinct. Breathe and vocalize. Feel the sound of water. The water is warm, clear. Enjoyed it. Breathe and vocalize freely. Breathe. Breathe slowly and deeply and vocalize. This Nada Yoga will relax you. Air. It is the air we breathe, oxygen and life. Imagine a warm breeze like a caress. Use your voice freely. Breathe and relax yourself. Feel the power of the air, the oxygen, and life. Feel this air as a caress, a warm breeze. And vocalize freely. Earth, it is a land where we live, our roots, our origins, our sense of belonging. Free your voice, feel the call of the earth. Breathe and vocalize, use your voice freely. Feel your sense of belonging to the earth. Free your voice. is the turn of fire. Fire, it is the heat of the sun, the light of the day, which gives life to all things. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Feel its beneficial warmth, and now vocalize freely. Breathe and vocalize. Well, I hope this lesson helped you to feel closer to nature. Subscribe to this channel to participate in the next Biovoice lesson. See you soon.